Gentlemen, the secret to growing a beard is actually taking care of it. This is Maryland. Welcome to Maryland, the page where we talk about beard growth and men's lifestyle. I just woke up, I've washed my face, and I've applied the beard growth oil. This is the beard growth oil that I use, Aichun Beard Growth Oil. It works and it actually has helped me to grow a beard this far. In only 2 months, I've managed to grow this beard that you see on my face. And not only that, but also with a beard brush. Okay, I use it to structure my beard, and then I also use the Aichun Beard Growth Balm. These are the things that you need if you are a man who actually wants to grow the beard for the first time. These are the instruments that can help you to grow the beard as fast as possible. These materials have helped me to grow the beard. If you're having challenges like you want your beard to look amazing, this beard oil actually can make your beard smell good, and it actually makes your beard look smart and clean. And gentlemen, buy the beard growth oil on Amazon or anywhere you can find it. Buy a beard balm so that you can start using it as well. These are products that work for everyone, no matter who you are. You are white, black, Indian, Asian, doesn't matter.